Life on Earth is breathtakingly beautiful and incredibly complex, but it's also surprisingly fragile. In today's video, we're diving into 5 potential scenarios that could end the life on Earth. Some of these are ancient threats that have shaped our planet's history, while others are born from modern technology. Let's begin. First, asteroid impact. Let's start with a cosmic threat that has already made its mark on Earth: asteroid impacts. From natural disasters to human-made catastrophes, our world faces threats that could one day bring life, as we know it, to an end. But don't worry. This isn't just a doom and gloom story. It's about understanding the risks so we can work together to safeguard our future. These massive space rocks orbit our solar system, and occasionally one gets a little too close for comfort. The most famous example is the asteroid that struck Earth 66 million years ago, causing the extinction of the dinosaurs. That asteroid was about 10 kilometers wide and unleashed energy greater than 1 billion nuclear bombs. It caused fires, tsunamis, and a global winter that wiped out nearly 75% of all species. Today, organizations like NASA and ESA monitor near-Earth objects, or NEOs, to detect potential threats. Missions like NASA's DART experiment are testing ways to deflect an asteroid. But while we're getting better at spotting these cosmic threats, a surprise impact could still pose a real danger. Second, supervolcanic eruption. Earth's geology gives us mountains, oceans, and fertile soil, but it also comes with a hidden danger: supervolcanoes. Unlike typical volcanoes, supervolcanoes don't just erupt. They explode with a force that can alter the entire planet. One of the most well-known supervolcanoes lies beneath Yellowstone National Park in the United States. If it were to erupt, it could release thousands of cubic kilometers of ash and debris into the atmosphere. This could block sunlight for months, triggering a volcanic winter. Global temperatures would plummet, crops would fail, and ecosystems would collapse. The last supervolcanic eruption, the Toba event in Indonesia, occurred 74,000 years ago and may have brought humanity to the brink of extinction. Today, scientists closely monitor potential supervolcanoes, but there's no way to predict exactly when, or if, one will erupt. Third, climate change. Unlike sudden disasters, climate change is a slow-moving crisis that's already reshaping our planet. It's caused by human activities like burning fossil fuels, industrialization, etc., which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and trap heat. As global temperatures rise, we're seeing more extreme weather, melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and massive disruptions to ecosystems. Entire species are at risk of extinction, and human societies are facing challenges like food shortages, water scarcity, and displacement due to flooding. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, warns that if we don't act quickly, these effects will accelerate. But there's hope. Renewable energy, reforestation, and international agreements like the Paris Accord are steps in the right direction. The question is, will we act fast enough? Fourth, nuclear war. Humanity's greatest threat might just be its own creations. Nuclear weapons developed during the 20th century have the potential to destroy civilization in a matter of hours. A full-scale nuclear war wouldn't just devastate cities and kill millions. It could also trigger a phenomenon known as nuclear winter. Soot and ash from the explosions would rise into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging the planet into a period of extreme cold. Crops would fail, ecosystems would collapse, and humanity could face mass starvation. We've already seen glimpses of the devastation nuclear energy and weapons can cause. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 killed over 200,000 people, many instantly and others from radiation sickness in the weeks that followed. The scars of those events are still felt today, a reminder of the unimaginable destruction nuclear weapons can unleash. On the other hand, the Chernobyl disaster of 1986, though not a weapon, shows us the dangers of mishandling nuclear technology. A reactor explosion in Ukraine caused widespread radiation contamination, forcing thousands to evacuate and leaving the area uninhabitable for decades. While not a deliberate attack, it's a sobering example of how even a single event can ripple across generations. Global agreements like the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty aim to prevent these disasters, but tensions between nations and the risks of accidents or miscalculations make this an ever-present danger. The responsibility lies with all of us to ensure that nuclear technology is never misused again. Fifth, Artificial intelligence gone wrong. Artificial intelligence is one of humanity's most revolutionary inventions, with the power to solve problems we once thought impossible. But it also comes with risks. If AI systems were to surpass human intelligence, what's known as artificial general intelligence, they could act in ways we don't fully understand or control. For example, an AI tasked with optimizing global systems might take extreme actions that unintentionally harm humanity. Cinema has explored these scenarios in movies like The Matrix and The Terminator. In The Matrix, humanity becomes enslaved by intelligent machines, while in The Terminator, AI known as Skynet turns against its creators, leading to a dystopian future. While these are fictional stories, they reflect real concerns about what could happen if AI development goes unchecked. Experts like Elon Musk and the late Stephen Hawking have warned about these dangers. They emphasize that AI needs to be developed with strict ethical guidelines and robust fail-safes to ensure it benefits humanity rather than harms it. The potential of AI is incredible, but its power demands responsibility. By taking these risks seriously, we can create a future where AI works alongside us, not against us. These scenarios may sound frightening, but they're also a reminder of how interconnected and resilient we can be as a species. Awareness is the first step toward action, and with the right tools, technology, and cooperation, we can tackle even the most daunting challenges. What do you think is the greatest threat to life on Earth? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe to Multiversal, and hit the notification bell. Together, we'll continue to explore the wonders and the challenges of our incredible universe. Stay curious and stay safe.